Good morning, Mashonaland West Province citizens. I, the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Mashonaland West, Honorable Marian Chombo, unequivocally condemns the 31st March 2025 planned demonstrations across the breadbasket province of our beautiful nation. These demonstrations will not only disrupt our efforts towards peace and stability of the province, but will also disrupt our economic trajectory as well as put lives of innocent citizens at risk. As your minister responsible for Mashonaland West Province, I wish to advise that our government is committed to promoting peace, unity, and development in our province. In view of my office's mandate, be advised that the security apparatus will not hesitate to take stern and decisive measures against any individual, groupings, and efforts who may seek to disrupt the peace and stability that we have worked so hard to attain. I humbly urge all stakeholders, including civil society organizations, the business community, and community leaders, to desist from engaging in any activities whatsoever that may incite violence or disrupt the prevailing peace and tranquility. Our government is committed to working with all stakeholders to promote peace, unity, and development across Mashonaland West Province. As government, we will not tolerate any counterproductive actions that will seek to undermine government's progressive efforts. For the avoidance of doubt, I urge all law-abiding and responsible citizens, the business community, and all stakeholders to continue operating their businesses, social and economic activities, especially farming, unhindered and as expected within the confines of the law. Stakeholders are hereby advised to alert any law enforcement agencies across our 7 administrative districts on any attempts or elements which are bent on disrupting our peace and routine business activities. I hope we have all heard, and this is just a warning, and we are not going to hesitate to put it in action. I thank you. Have a blessed Sunday.